Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix disk write error on Steam. First, open up your Steam app and go to the top left and click on Steam and go to Settings. From here, let's go to the download section and we're going to clear the download cache by hitting this clear cache option in line with that and click on Confirm. It might restart a Steam app and it might require you to log in again, so just do that. And the next thing to do is to search for Windows Defender Firewall. Let's open this up and click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall from the options at the left. From here, let's click on Change Settings and we're going to look for the Steam app on this list. And here it is, and make sure that it is both checked on private and public right here. If you don't have it on your list, you can go ahead and click on Allow another app. Click on Browse and you're going to go to this PC and let's go to our C drive, Program Files x86, and we're going to look for the Steam folder right here. Scroll down and select the steam.exe file and click on Open and click on Add. The next way is to right click on your Discord app on your desktop and let's go to Properties. From here, go to the Compatibility tab. And let's check the Run this program as an administrator and check Disable full screen optimizations as well. Once done, click on Apply and click on OK. And you can then try relaunching your Steam. If that does not work, let's go back to the Steam app, click on Steam at the top left, go to Settings, and from here we're going to go to the Storage section and click on this little three dots icon in line with your storage info right here. And we're going to click on Repair Library, click on Yes, and it will repair the library and might help in solving your problem. The next way is to search for this PC. Let's open this up and let's open up our C drive. Let's open the Program Files x86 and let's go to the Steam folder. We select it, right click on it, and let's go to Properties. From here, on the attributes section, you might have read-only checked, so we can uncheck this by clicking on this box icon and hit Apply and click on OK. And it will apply those attributes to the files. After that, let's go to the Security tab and make sure that these permissions don't have any checks on the Deny column. You can also go to the Advanced Settings if there is checks on the Deny line. And you have to make sure that the user that you're using has full control. If not, you can select that specific user and click on Edit right here and make sure that full control is checked and all these basic permissions. Just click on OK and close these folders and try relaunching Steam again. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.